I come from a long line of attorneys in my family. My grandfather was an attorney. I've got 2 uncles that are attorneys, and I have 4 cousins that were practicing law before I went to law school. When I started practicing law, I realized trial law, in my opinion, is the greatest game ever played. Trial law is my sport. This is what I was born to do. And the more I started litigating cases, the more I realized the competitive edge I had in it. You are going into a battle. It is war. I'm a very goal-oriented individual. So when I open up a case file, I look at the result that we need, and then I have a very strict routine of getting me to my goal. When you play sports, you have to have a strategy to win. You have to make a plan, and you have to work that plan. Trial law is no different. When I take on a case, I take it on personally. I wanted to know, would I hire me if I was injured or if a loved one was injured? My goal is to be the lawyer I would want to hire.
We were leaving my sister-in-law's house, and my husband was driving, and all of a sudden I hear him say, "Oh my God, hold on baby." So I immediately looked up just to see a red car T-boning us in the entrance of a red light. My injuries were very serious. I had to have surgery on top of surgery. Deciding to work with David at Bence Law Firm was a no-brainer. I called him while I was in rehab, and the first thing he said to me was, "You concentrate on getting better and let me work for you." And from that day on, I didn't have to worry about anything. He was not just in it for the money, but he was more involved with me being okay as a person. If someone was in my position and went through what I went through, I would recommend David's law firm for them every day of the week and twice on Sunday.
I am looking at every aspect of the case. And I know my opponent is working hard, therefore I gotta work harder. I have got a strategy for every move we make. The client is in very good hands. You're hiring me to fight your fight. You're not the one who picked this fight, but you are going to go against big corporations with abundant resources to fund the case. You take care of you. You let me take care of them.